Hi guys, this is Shai and ngayong gabi, titingnan natin yung iba't ibang reaction. Like, meron kasi ako nakita kaso wala kasi akong ibang kausap. Yung sarili ko lang. Meron doon isang parang phrase, tapos sasabihin mo siya in different kind of emotion. Wait, titingnan natin yung reference. Para naman updated kayo sa kung anong sinasabi ko. Kasi syempre, sabihin nyo, anong ine-eme-eme yung babaeng to, Charis? So, this is what I'm telling you. Yung wow, okay. Tapos, sasabihin mo siya in four different emotion. First is supportive, then disappointed, sarcastic, and flirty. Okay? Let's try. So, the first is wow, okay. Yun yung normal. Pag sinasabi ko siya, or naging reaction ko siya sa normal conversation, I would say it like this. Wow, okay. So, let's try naman sa supportive type, supportive way, like wow, okay. Mali ba? Parang mali, hindi naman siya supportive. Parang supportive, wow, okay. Yan, yun siguro yung reaction ko. It's wow, okay. Ganon. May with matching ganon pa. And then sa disappointed naman, wow, okay. Oh, nakuha niyo ba yun? Like, wow, okay. Or wow, 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 oh, okay. Hindi yun eh. Oh, okay. Siguro yun yung disappointed ko. And next one naman is sarcastic. Wow ha, okay. Yan. Wow ha, okay. And last na, flirty. Flirty, paano ba to? Wow, okay. Pangit? Or, wow, okay. Parang hindi. Paano ba yun? Paano ba? Ooh, okay. Nakakainis.